Open notes. Show numbers.
42. Type here.
Select all. Delete that. Today we will show you how to control your macOS Catalina without using keyboard. Open notes. Minimize window. Quit maps. Quit contacts. Select all. Delete that. Here is how to replace words using voice commands. Select words. Delete that. Select all. Delete that.
Select Manu.
Here is how to replace words without using keyboards in macOS Catalina using voice command. Select what is going on. Voice command. Select what is the man. Select come home. Command. Full stop. Follow Tech Engage for more videos like that. Select English. Tech Engage. Select the. Delete that. Thank you for watching. Select thank you for watching. Delete that. Thank you for watching.